Daphne, what are you doing in the tree? Daphne, are you trying to fall?
When she tries to get down, it's gonna all fall.
Yeah. Daphne, are you stuck? Or are you just gonna keep climbing? Are you gonna take it? She's.
What was that?
It was an unbreakable ornament. Luckily, it was made out of wood. But honey, why are you in the tree?
Great, it's an experience.
Honey. Should I be concerned or should I be laughing?
I hope when she gets down, she just doesn't knock it over. That's the only thing I'm concerned about.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, honey.
Honey, get down.
You'll think when you have to see.
Where is she? Oh.
In the back now.
She's at the back.
Now she's going head first. Now she's trying to get down. So she can do it.
Honey, where are you?
Her face is right there. Oh, no, she's chewing. No.
No, don't chew. I think she's chilling.
No. Oh, no, she's not chilling. She's playing with the light.
Oh, and there goes another unbreakable ornament. So, honey, no.
Can you get her out of there? Daphne stuck.
She's trying to play with everything. Please don't attack the angel, please.
She's stuck?
No. Are you okay?
Get down, please. Come on, I'm not going to spank you, baby. I don't know how to get you down without tipping over the tree.
We don't know how to get you out.
Okay.
1, 2.
1, 2.
10.
Uh-oh. Oh, I know. That's your fault. Okay. And out she comes.
Is she okay?
Yes, she's fine, but she's mad at me because I tipped her foot down to
Daphne,
get her out.
can I have my cat?
And so, this is the experience of Daphne in the tree.